When I think upon your goodness and your faithfulness each day, I'm convinced it's not because I am worthy,